Good morning, everyone. Myself Nayan Ramesh Lokhande, and I'm here to say the few words on the cultures of Odisha and Maharashtra. So let's get started. So by looking the close look at this poster, you can see here the cultures of Odisha and Maharashtra. There are few similarities as well as few differences. So let's see all of them in details. So the main thing which is quietly similar are art and culture of Odisha and Maharashtra. There are very much similarities as well as few differences. Okay, so while the both have different language, Marathi is the language of Maharashtra and Oriya is language of Odisha. The languages are different. They are very different. They are not similar almost, but both the languages are been derived from the base language of Sanskrit. So the both language is derived from Sanskrit language. Even though it come of celebration, many festivals like Poli, which is festival in the honor of cattle of farmers, is celebrated in Odisha too, but under the different name. So even though festivals are celebrated but with different name, the beautiful temple, structures and arts of both the cultures too have beautiful similarities and symphony. So these cultures are almost similar for the arts and culture, for temples and for various structures as well. Okay, so let's see some differences as well as some similarities between Odisha and Maharashtrian culture. Okay, so in Maharashtra, the main thing is grown is food crops. So it is also main source of income. Also, we can say it is grows food crops. Food crops are mainly grown in Maharashtra. So in Odisha, the main source of income in minerals. Minerals are found abundantly in Odisha, especially coal and iron, which is found in huge amount. In Maharashtra, Marathi is the best language. In Odisha, Oriya is the best language or traditional language. In Marathi, I means mother. So in Odisha, I means grandmother. Marathi people specially prefer spicy food, whereas Odian people don't prefer spicy food. Marathi people don't usually means they like, but they don't like specially sweets. So in Odisha, the sweets are very much popular. Marathi is written in Devanagari script. Odia is written in Dravidian script. Maharashtra, the traditional dance of Maharashtra is Lavani, whereas the traditional dance of Odisha is Odissi. Okay, so there are many cultural similarities between Odisha and Maharashtra. In both the places, festivals are given equal importance. Ganesh Puja is celebrated in Maharashtra as well as in Odisha also. It is also celebrated in Odisha, as well as Pola, which is the festivals of cattle, are also celebrated in both the states but with the different names. So the even though the dresses are also quite similar, women living in Odisha also wear saris, as well as women living in Maharashtra also wear saris. So the dressing of both the states are also quietly similar. Okay, so the main language, as we all know, is derived from Sanskrit. Both the languages are taken from the Sanskrit. Okay, so the traditional dress of the both the states, the traditional dress of Maharashtra, as we can see here, is this, and the traditional dress of Odisha are both the dress are almost similar, especially women's, which is sari, which is wear in both the states. Okay, so the cultural dance of both the states. In Maharashtra, Lavani is a traditional and cultural dance, as you can see here, and in Odisha, this is a cultural dance. There. Okay, so the religions. So both the states are diversified in the religions. So in Maharashtra, mainly it is Hinduism is the main religion in Maharashtra, which is almost 80%, as follows by Islam, which is 11%, Buddhism 5%, Jainism 1%. Okay, and remaining both of them. And in Odisha also, Hinduism is the main dominating religion, which is almost 94%, Muslim 2%, and Christian 2%. Okay, so thank you.